we are in for a delay because there's a massive landslide that has happened ahead. We have had quite a run yesterday. It was fun and challenging. We covered from Gaza to Rampur and stopped by near this Padam Palace. हम यहाँ पर continuously 4-wheel low में drive कर रहे हैं and we are driving on first and second gear, which is very important क्योंकि आप ब्रेक को टच करना afford भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Your vehicle will slide and spin.
They say expect the unexpected in the mountains. स्पीति से मनाली तो हम फंसते फंसाते और साथ ही साथ मजे करते पहुंच गए. थोड़े नज़ारे देखें, ब्लैक आइस पे थोड़ी इंटेंस ड्राइविंग की और फाइनली सीधे रास्तों पे भी गाड़ी भगाई.
Finally, we are down the hill in Manali, and what an absolutely fantastic run it has been. The entire convoy was pulling off together down the valley and it was looking absolutely beautiful in my wing mirror.
Yes, a great drive it's been so far. पर आखिरी पड़ाव अभी बाकी है.
Our last leg today and we are headed to Baralacha-La, which has a very defining history. दो rivers, Chandra and Bhaga originates from Baralacha-La and नीचे आके वो चंद्रभागा river बन जाती हैं. Further downstream, they go and meet into Chenab.
Well, if we go by the myth, two divine lovers, Chandra, the daughter of the god Moon, and Bhaga, the son of the god Sun, decided to perform their eternal marriage atop Baralacha-La and then ran in opposite directions. Chandra easily found her way and reached Tandi after covering a distance of 115 kilometers, while Bhaga was soon found coming with great struggle through the narrow gorges to Tandi, where they both met and the celestial marriage was performed. Quite an adventurous love story, right? खैर, after all the adventure we have had so far, हमें लगा there is nothing stopping us. पर जैसा मैंने कहा, expect the unexpected in the mountains.
On our way to Baralacha, an avalanche has just happened and BRO is at work clearing the roads for us. This is the last leg of our expedition and people are excited to cover the last leg but also a bit sad क्योंकि अभी यहाँ से सब अपने घर की तरफ जाने वाले हैं.
While we were chatting with participants, Mountain Goat team along with the support from BRO managed to clear the way in no time. Thanks to the protection tunnels that redirect the snow slide to the ditch and huge walls in frequent intervals to stop the snow mass from falling onto the road. Travelers are safe from the avalanche for the most part. पर थोड़ा रिस्क तो रहता है. अब बस देखना है कहाँ तक पहुँच पाते हैं. खैर कुछ भी कहो, वादियाँ यहाँ से और भी हसीन होती जाती हैं. We proceeded towards the iconic Atal Tunnel, which is nothing less than an engineering marvel. Atal Tunnel is worth all the hype. पीर पंजाल रेंज के बीचों बीच, it's the longest and most advanced tunnel in the world with some significant strategic importance. Most importantly, it reduces road distance by a good 46 kilometers between Manali and Leh, saving you around 5 hours of travel time. And it's operational throughout the year, which means Leh, Ladakh और स्पीति जैसे remote locations पर भी सारा ज़रूरी राशन and supplies पूरे साल पहुंचाया जा सकता है.
Through the Atal Tunnel and we are proceeding towards the Baralacha Pass जो लाहौल, लद्दाख, स्पीति और ज़ांस्कर वैली को कनेक्ट करता है. One of the most important trade routes of this area and it's an height of 4,850 meters. So हाँ, काफ़ी एक ऊंची क्लाइंब अगेन आज फिर से हमारे लास्ट लेग में है और रोड्स काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है.
Yes, Lahaul and Spiti Valley in Himachal connects to Zanskar range in Leh district at Baralacha-La. And rail-cum-road tunnels are being constructed under this pass. And again, you just can't get enough of the drive. First, these winding roads are so engaging, and then you are driving alongside the river stream flowing through this heavenly landscape. It's as if you are in the middle of a divine scenery. हम मजे मजे में चलते जा रहे थे, पर अचानक से हमें फिर रुकना पड़ा. Actually, मुड़ना पड़ा.
So Baralacha as possible नहीं हो पाया because there was an avalanche ahead and the roads are blocked. So Sinkula से हम वापस मुड़ रहे हैं. But the view here is absolutely mesmerizing. Just on my right, you can see that snowfall on the mountains. It's covered with snow. It looks mystical and magical. We are on our way back from Baralacha and I decided to switch seats with the Compass Trailhawk क्योंकि जो टीम अभी तक इसे ड्राइव कर रही थी they were very impressed with the car. बोल रहे थे कि काफ़ी अच्छी परफॉर्म कर रही है इस ट्रेल्स पे and honestly I concur that because it has been doing fairly well on the snow. It's not sliding. मेरे पास यहाँ पर स्नो मोड भी है. Obviously sand and rock mode तो मिलता ही है but snow is what we have engaged for most of the part. And the car is maintaining its composure, so that's something pretty nice about this small little off-roader. And I am really enjoying driving it around the twisties and on the snow. Also, when situation gets tricky, मेरे पास यहाँ पर 4-wheel low mode है, so yes, really helps. And just in case if it gets stuck, I also have a 4-wheel drive lock, so it's fairly easy to take it out of any sticky situation, which is lovely. So yes, as an off-roader, Compass Trailhawk is quite successful and it has the genes of a Jeep.
The snowfall and godly views did make up, but only to an extent. But you know what? मनाली पहुंच के हमें पूरा compensation finally मिला क्योंकि पहाड़ी का माहौल फिर से बन चुका था.
वो कहते हैं ना, अंत भला तो सब भला. That night we shared laughs, experiences, our dance moves and made some fond memories.
And it's done and dusted. The 10th Winter Spiti Expedition has been wonderful. You start as an individual and towards the end of it, we become a community where we take care of each other. एक अलग सा sense of joy मिलता है driving in the mountains, getting accustomed with our 4x4s and being hardcore with these terrains. You know, it gives you a different sense of adrenaline rush and that's something we enjoy thoroughly. Now speaking of the Jeep, it's been an absolutely wonderful companion, taking everything in its stride without breaking any sweat, sliding in the snow, zooming through the mountains, and it's been performing very well. So yes, it's capable throughout the terrains.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
I have just one request for you guys. Carry your trash. Do not litter. Do not throw them. आप ऐसा एक baggage use कर सकते हैं. You can collect all the trash. The idea is जितना trash आप लेके जाते हैं उससे ज़्यादा आप उधर से collect करके आए. And when you are done with your trip, find a dustbin and throw it. So now we head back to our base. See you from the plains and do follow Park Plus for all exciting automotive content. And we look forward to another expedition because the mountains, they keep calling you back.
Yes, exciting car reviews, travel stories and fun motoring content coming your way. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you stay notified. We'll see you soon.